Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Stream Tony Prophet on YouTube and all streaming platforms.
Much love to all the people who subscribe. This one is
It's another snowy day.
much love, and we're heading out.
As you can see, the whole entire road is full with snow. What me say? I snow there.
It's very hard to walk on this stuff, but what you gonna do when you live in the north? Put on some good shoes and some warm jacket, and let's go on this snow bank. Look at all these cars that covered with snow. Snow day. All the cars them have to have special tires because they wouldn't be able to drive on this stuff. I'm barely able to walk on it. You can see it as it falls. This is actually beautiful. And I mean, the worst part of it is when it's melting and it's so melting and you don't gotta go outside. But what you gotta do? Look at this guy. He's shovel his snow. He doesn't notice I'm videoing him, so I gotta be careful. I don't show off his face or his location. So I'm doing it wisely. All that snow. There he goes. A video below. You can't tell where it is, right? Can you? Nope. Nope. Which street is this? Can you tell? No. Alright, just showing you the snow movements. This is how we do it in the north. This part right here is beautiful in the summer and also in the winter. But in the summer, it is so green. I'm telling you, man. Feels like you're with nature. What is it used for an umbrella? But look at him go. 40 kilometers an hour. This is where it actually works. You can't go pretty fast at all. If your tires are not good, you're in hell. I'm telling you. Look at that car go. Yeah, more. And they're going. Good tires, good tractions. Welcome to the north. You can hear that breeze. Right now it's not actually cold. It's actually cold before this. Before the snow comes, it's brutally cold. I mean like cold, like to the bones. And then the snow falls, it's chill, you know, it's just pretty good. The kids can go outside and play. You know what I mean? You don't need so much. Just need to dress so you don't fall, you know? Zoom down the street, look down the street. This street is pretty clear in the summertime. End of 2021, beginning of 2022. Winter is pretty harsh this year. This was a really snowy winter. Weapon that we use against the snow. Evergreen tree, always green all the time, even in the winter, summer, spring, all the time, 4 seasons, 5 seasons, this is always green. Look at it, it's where the birds get to live, you know? Actually stays. Coming to the north. Yeah man, it can be very cold up here at Brampton, this, you know, I tell you, say, it's cool. I want church that. You see the church? Yes, that's across the highway. Oh, may I tell us the place is cold. Welcome to the north where the water stand up like man. Yes, I am in one parking lot. Look on the supermarket that I'm saying food basic. What I'm saying, food basic, you just get a free advertisement. Yes, I see a car there, you need that too. Alright. Over the sun. I see some more water there. Much love to all the people who subscribe.
Stream Tony Prophet on YouTube and all streaming platforms.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.